for beginners, you don't really need to try to do too many things. But if we just want to experience some Qi in Qi Gong practice and really feel the magic of the Qi can improve health, you don't need a lot of movements. You can use some. But get into the energy to feel them. Then let's start with other videos. Slow the breath. Sit to do a movement. Stand to do a movement. Say we are standing now. Start with a standing position. Feel energy of the universe, environment, nice energy come to you. You think, gently open and close hands. Breathe in, breathe out. So my mind is all on my hand and what am I doing? I am thinking about Qi. That's all. Thinking about the Qi between the hands. That's it. So after you do 10 or 20 in one position to a wider position, so that can be the learning today. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.